What if you could own a fully equipped camper van for less than $100,000? For years, camper vans have become increasingly expensive, with many luxury models costing well over $200,000 and some even approaching $300,000. But now, Thor Motor Coach is challenging that trend. The company has officially revealed its 2027 lineup, and among all the new models, one vehicle is attracting the most attention: the 2027 Scope Class B camper van. According to dealers, this compact adventure van can be purchased for around $95,000, making it one of the most affordable factory-built camper vans currently available. But does its lower price mean sacrificing comfort? Can it really provide everything needed for off-grid living, weekend adventures, and cross-country road trips? Today, we're taking a detailed look at the 2027 Thor Scope, exploring its design, interior, sleeping arrangements, off-grid capabilities, pricing, and whether it's truly one of the best budget camper vans on the market. Let's get started. Over the last decade, camper vans have exploded in popularity. More people are choosing mobile lifestyles than ever before. Some use camper vans for weekend escapes, others travel full-time, and an increasing number of people are even living in camper vans year-round. The appeal is easy to understand. A camper van combines transportation and accommodation into one package. Instead of booking hotels, travelers can sleep wherever regulations allow. Instead of planning every stop, they can enjoy complete freedom. However, this freedom usually comes at a price. Modern camper vans often cost well over six figures. Luxury interiors, advanced electrical systems, solar power setups, and premium materials can quickly push prices beyond $200,000. That's why Thor's Scope lineup is attracting so much attention. It promises a complete camper van experience at a significantly lower cost. The Scope is Thor Motor Coach's entry-level Class B camper van. Its mission is simple: provide everything most travelers need without charging luxury-level prices. For 2027, Thor continues offering two primary floor plans: the Scope 18M and 18Z. Both versions focus on maximizing space while maintaining compact dimensions. This means the van remains easy to drive through cities, highways, campgrounds, and narrow roads. Unlike large Class A motorhomes, the Scope feels much more manageable for everyday drivers. This accessibility is one of its biggest advantages. Even first-time RV owners can quickly feel comfortable behind the wheel. At first glance, the 2027 Scope looks modern and practical. Its design emphasizes functionality rather than flashy luxury. Every exterior element serves a purpose. The compact body improves maneuverability. The roof area provides room for optional upgrades. Storage solutions are carefully integrated throughout the vehicle. One of the most interesting options available is the rooftop sleeping system. This feature effectively increases sleeping capacity without requiring a larger vehicle footprint. For families or groups traveling together, this can be a major advantage. The roof area also contributes to the van's off-grid potential by supporting additional equipment and outdoor accessories. Overall, the exterior reflects Thor's goal of creating an adventure-ready vehicle that remains affordable. Step inside the Scope and you'll immediately notice how efficiently every inch of space is utilized. Creating a comfortable living area inside a compact van is never easy, yet Thor has managed to fit multiple essential functions into a surprisingly small footprint. The interior serves several purposes simultaneously. It's a lounge during the day, a dining area during meals, and a bedroom at night. Storage compartments are positioned throughout the cabin. These spaces help travelers organize clothing, equipment, food, and personal belongings. The overall layout focuses on practicality. Everything is designed to be within reach. Nothing feels unnecessarily complicated. This simplicity is one reason many buyers are attracted to the Scope. It delivers the essentials without overwhelming users with complexity. Camper van sleeping setup can make or break the ownership experience. Fortunately, sleeping accommodations are one of the Scope's strongest features. Both the 18M and 18Z floor plans offer dedicated sleeping solutions. Depending on the chosen, owners can comfortably accommodate multiple travelers. The optional rooftop sleeping area expands capacity even further. This is particularly valuable for families. Instead of converting every interior surface into a bed, the rooftop sleeping area creates additional dedicated sleeping space. The result is improved comfort and better flexibility during travel. For weekend adventures, road trips, or extended journeys, these sleeping arrangements make the Scope surprisingly versatile. Many camper van buyers dream of escaping crowded campgrounds and exploring remote locations. The Scope is designed with that goal in mind. Off-grid travel requires several important systems: electrical power, fresh water, waste management, climate control, and efficient storage. Thor markets the Scope as a vehicle capable of supporting independent adventures away from traditional campgrounds. This flexibility opens up numerous travel possibilities. Imagine waking up beside a mountain lake, parking near a desert landscape, or spending several days exploring remote national parks. These experiences represent the core appeal of camper van travel, and the Scope aims to make them accessible to a wider audience. Now let's discuss the factor attracting the most attention: price. According to dealer listings, the 2027 Scope can be found for approximately $95,000. That's significantly lower than many competing camper vans. Interestingly, Thor lists an MSRP of around $149,100. This means buyers may potentially find substantial discounts through dealerships. In today's RV market, finding a factory-built camper van under $100,000 is increasingly rare. This affordability creates opportunities for first-time RV buyers. Instead of spending luxury-level money, customers can enter the camper van lifestyle at a much lower cost. That alone could make the Scope one of the most attractive budget camper vans of 2027. The Scope isn't designed for everyone. Luxury RV buyers may prefer larger and more expensive options. However, several groups could find tremendous value here. First-time RV owners, weekend adventurers, couples seeking road trip freedom, remote workers, outdoor enthusiasts, and travelers who want a practical camper van without spending a fortune. For these buyers, the Scope offers a compelling balance between affordability and functionality. The 2027 Thor Scope proves that camper van adventures don't necessarily require a luxury budget. While many modern camper vans continue pushing prices higher and higher, Thor remains focused on accessibility, with dealer prices starting around $95,000, 2 practical floor plans, optional rooftop sleeping accommodations, and off-grid friendly design. The Scope stands out as one of the most affordable factory-built camper vans entering 2027. Would you choose the 2027 Thor Scope for your next road trip adventure? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more camper van, RV, and travel content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.